Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to another day in the life. Today is Wednesday. These weeks are just getting away with me. But I felt like for my sanity today, I needed to get up, take a shower, put a little bit of makeup on, put an actual shirt on, still have leggings, not gonna lie, and I don't know, make this day have a purpose, because with everything going on right now, all our days are starting to run together. So I figured that I would bring you guys along on this day in the life with me. If you are new here, my name is Sarah. I'm a mommy to 5. I'm pregnant with my 6th. And right now I am a homeschool mom as well. So I figured that I would bring you guys along on our day today, and let's see where the day takes us.
Saw the ocean from a plane, New York City from a train, fell asleep riding shotgun, bound for New Mexico. You know I love the sand, but wherever I land, there's nothing quite like coming home. They have lobsters in Maine, Vegas has the buffets down in Georgia. The peaches are sweet, I know, but sipping tea in my yard is the sweetest by far. There's nothing quite like coming home. Grandma's picture on the wall, Dad's piano in the hall. The clock on the mantle broke a long time ago. There's a feeling inside no money can buy.
So today is actually the birthday of, we have a sibling set of friends, and they have the same birthday, but a couple years apart. So their son is really good friends with Caleb, and their daughter's really good friends with McKinley, and we've known them for years. So we decided that we're going to push school back a little bit this morning. We're going to make some signs, drive by their house, and happy birthday, just to make them feel loved. Because if it was our birthday during all that's going on, we would want the same thing, right?
It would be the worst birthday in the history.
Yeah, but we're going to try to make it good for them. So we're going to make these signs right now, and then load everybody into the car and go do that. It'll give us something different to do today. Yeah?
There's nothing quite like coming home. The old carpet's worn thin from the places we'd spin, while old blue eyes serenaded on the old stereo. There's a world to explore far beyond my front door. There's nothing
Those
your dog treats?
They're my dog treats.
Those are your dog treats? Okay, so we've got all our signs, and we're going to take this birthday banner, and I think we're going to stop at the front of the neighborhood and tape it to like the outside of our car and then drive to their house. So this is exciting. It gives us something to do. It's a fun way to make our friends feel special on their birthday. And I only have to take the older 2 with me because Nick's here to keep the little ones, so almost like a break.
I could never forget it. It's the place I belong.
We just got back from going and surprising their little friends for their birthday, and it was super cute. I didn't get to film it because my battery died on my camera, but we had a lot of fun. We decorated the side of our truck. I think I have some footage of that. I'll insert it right here. We turned on like a fun happy birthday song, drove down the street. Some more friends joined us, so they were behind us, and we just tried to make their birthday special for them. We also kind of got to chit chat with our friends from a distance, so that was so nice because the social distancing is just like getting to be a lot. Go. Go. My child's over there like eating Ready Whip. But we're back home now. I just laid the babies down for a nap. We haven't done school at all yet today. We'll get to it eventually. We're gonna have some lunch and some quiet time. And then I guess we'll just do like evening school. And I left the 3 little ones home with Nick. My house is now destroyed, so I'm sure there'll be some cleaning to come as well. It is much later in the day now. We just finished with quiet time. I'm going to start the dinner rush, and I think I'm gonna let the kids skip school today. And then we're just gonna double up. Our school listened to the parents when we were saying that like, this is too much, and they made Friday kind of like a makeup day. So on Friday, they have very minimal work. So I think we're just gonna double up on Friday. I may regret that and I may change my mind, but as of right now, that's what I'm thinking we're going to do. So I'm gonna go ahead and get dinner started. I'm not hungry, my husband's not hungry. So I'm thinking I'm just gonna do like simple sandwiches and chips and fruit for the kids and just call it done because I don't really feel like cooking today. This little boy has been like this all day long. He was like this for you too, right?
And yesterday.
And the day before, he's just been really like snuggly. Doesn't want us to put him down. I don't know if he's like not feeling well. He's acting normal, other than he's just really clingy. So I don't know. I'm trying to unload the dishwasher. He's not having it. Trying to convince the kids to just go ahead and do school today. That way we don't have to double up on Friday. But I feel like since I offered for them to skip today, that it's a losing battle. Who's that? Who is that? No. You're cute even when you're cranky.
Living in the dark, looking for a spark. I feel it coming, I feel it coming. Waiting for the chance, trying to understand. Time keeps running, time keeps running. Can't get that far if you're scared to leave. Never reach those stars if you don't believe. So wake up, wake up. Don't waste your life on looking down. Gotta lift your feet up off the ground. Get up, and find yourself.
With 5 kids, all of my kids just came except for McKinley and Grant and asked me for seconds. So after I got all the dinner mess cleaned up, I now need to make 3 more sandwiches.
Sun-stained photographs, window panes holding back the heat.
kids are going stir crazy, can you tell? So all of our libraries closed around here basically a couple days after school closed. And had I known they were going to do that, I would have went and stocked up, because this one, who's mocking my every move, and my oldest have no books to read. We don't have a collection of chapter books at our house. We always go to the library. So all I have are kids' books. And so my sweet friend, I sent out like a Mayday call asking if anybody had any books. And I got to go porch pick up some books today to borrow. So now we have a little collection. And one of the books in here I'm super excited for the kids to read is the first Harry Potter. I mean, who else is a Harry Potter fan out there? I'm obsessed. So if my kids could get into this, it would make me really happy.
How did you get that book?
Get her, Paxton. Life with brothers. You excited to have a sister finally?
We've got this. We've got no money, but we've got this love. Ray on the record player, Jolene in the air, cross-legged on the linoleum. Bare face, fingers laced in yours on the second floor apartment. Wonder how we'll make rent. Grocery store, lilies in a vase you bought yesterday for me, just because you missed me. We've got no money, but we've got this. We've got no money, but we've got this love. We don't have all the answers, but we've got this. We don't have all the answers, but we've got this love.
Okay, we just got the babies down for for bed. None of them were in the mood for it tonight, so that was fun. But me and the big kids are going to finish off the night with some Phase 10. Nick and I are finally going to eat dinner, and I think that's going to conclude today's video. So thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys on the next one.
While we go say